Each day, business people rely on printing, copying, and other document-related tasks to get their jobs done. Chances are, your company provides the office technology to make that possible. But even at a time when business leaders are highly motivated to cut costs and increase productivity, many companies still spend far too much on device use and output. Establishing print policies can help, but employees will always have different work agendas and their own ways of getting things done, ways that may not always be the most cost-effective, secure, or productive. Staff may prefer sending jobs, both small and large, to single-function desktop printers that sit right next to their desks. It may be convenient, but those prints cost your business far more per page. Over the course of a year, seemingly invisible costs like these really add up. Do you know which groups print the most? Is print activity being tracked so you can allocate costs to internal departments or accurately bill it back to clients? Almost every business handles some form of sensitive or confidential information. Is every staff member allowed to use all MFP capabilities without restraint? How about confidential documents that are printed, forgotten about, and picked up by an unauthorized person? Most workers may not be aware that their print behaviors are inefficient. To these users, it may just be the way they get work done. For example, a specialist may routinely dominate use of the MFP device closest to their work area. But does an MFP that's constantly tied up with a large queue of print jobs cause delays for other users? uniFLOW Output Manager was developed to handle these challenges and more. uniFLOW is a software solution that works with laser printers and Canon imageRUNNER advanced systems to help you transform document-related activities that may have been wasteful into streamlined work methods that help you reduce costs, improve document security, and boost productivity. With the uniFLOW Output Manager solution in place, users can be made to log in at an imageRUNNER Advance either by keying in a username and password or swiping an access card. Implementing this simple authentication step makes numerous benefits possible. For one, you can track output activity, so you can know who's printing, what they're printing, how often, and at what quantities. Each user's activity can be captured, logged, and then reviewed in several ways. With sophisticated tracking like this, you can allocate print costs to specific users, departments, and projects, and you'll be able to accurately bill back internal project costs to clients when needed. The fact that staff have to authenticate has an added benefit. Since users are made to be more deliberate about how and when they print, wasteful print behaviors are tempered. These tools also help you gain insight to how usage impacts costs, even when your devices are spread across multiple buildings or locations. You'll be able to create cost reports on the fly, or schedule them to be generated automatically. A uniFLOW server can even be set up to carefully analyze all print jobs, so each can be routed to its best output solution. In fact, the server can also be set up to examine each job, and then based on job attributes, present a list of print devices so the user can select the most cost-effective solution. uniFLOW also enables you to increase security measures for device activity across your organization. The Secure Printing module lets users control the output of sensitive documents. The solution can hold print jobs at the server and release them only when an authorized user logs in. uniFLOW also integrates easily with a wide range of identification systems, including magnetic card readers, contactless card readers, plus keyboard ID and password entry. With uniFLOW in place, you may never have to be delayed from retrieving a print you urgently need. If a user sends a print job to a particular MFP, then walks up to discover that the device is in use, being serviced, or otherwise unavailable, they can simply walk over to another networked MFP, authenticate, and retrieve their printed document without any further delay. Similarly, if you need a printout, but it would be more convenient for you to pick it up at an imageRUNNER advanced system located far away from your usual work environment, you can do just that. Simply authenticate at that device and print. A user could even retrieve their document at another building or location if more convenient for them. uniFLOW Output Manager is a powerful, versatile solution that delivers a variety of print management capabilities to a wide range of businesses, large, small, and in almost any industry. It's modular and scalable, so you can implement only those aspects your company will derive business value from. Start with modules that make sense for now, then you can add others as your company grows or your needs change. Take a closer look at Canon's uniFLOW solutions today. Let your business run.